What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Boys, as you can see, we got a little 4-to-8 action going in, and of course, rocking the fresh hot mesh wheels. Guys, real quick, sidebar. My buddy Tom Clark, Sinus Built, is making custom 4-to-8 center caps for the wheels. I cannot wait to show you guys those. Those will be here pretty quick. But, guys, we got a lot to talk about with Project 4-to-8. And if you caught the video, we went down to Mark Turner's and bought the engine and transmission. Well, I was reading your comments, and yes, guys, this would have been perfect for Pop's car. And Pop's car needed it, but through all the pandemic and all the things being back ordered and the this and the that, we've had a lot of parts we weren't able to get that we were expecting for Project 4-to-8, and it's taken quite a bit longer than anybody anticipated. So, we wanted to get it done. We want to give it away, and we need to move on to the next one. So, essentially, boys, what we did is we dropped it in. No, guys, we did not film it. We really were wanting to get everything just swapped over and get it done. But yes, guys, what we did, we pulled the other engine out, pulled the headers, the new motor mounts, all that stuff off of it, and dropped this in. Engine, trans, clutch, flywheel, it's all in the car, guys. Essentially, all we've got to do is get everything plugged up. We got to get the interior assembled, and there it is, boys. As you already know, everything's plumbed as far as the fuel lines and the V8 harness, all of that. And then, of course, this engine already had all of that on there. Low miles, super clean, bone stock. We already got all the smog and everything off of it. But, yeah, guys, it's pretty much looks like something now. And, of course, we got all the, all the other parts we've had forever to finish the car. So, I'm telling you guys, we're going to make a bunch of progress on this. We're super excited. All right, guys, so we got to get not only that done, but the interior put together. Get the stereo system and the cup holder console, get all that junk out. And then, of course, all that stuff came with the motor, so all the all the other stuff can go back with something else. But yeah, there's all the new hoses. We need those. Look at that, brand new heater tube. I guess we can put that on that other intake. So we'll need that. All new heater hoses. Let's see. I don't remember what that. Oh, that's all the clamps. Brand new Ford Racing plug wires. Brand new battery tray with hardware. Let's see. And of course, we don't need any of that stuff now because that engine came with it. And what do we got over here? Okay, there's a plenum gasket. I bought intake gaskets for the second time and don't need those. There's that A9L. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we do need that one. Yeah. Well, we got another one, but yeah. Plenum gasket. Oh, valve cover gaskets. We don't need those. That engine's got fresh valve cover gaskets on it. Sheesh. Got all these parts and nowhere to go. I've got all the brand new brackets from LMR put on the front of the motor. So, AC, and another brand new plenum gasket. There's alternator.
Yes, that's very nice.
And power steering. AC. All the hardware. And then I got a brand new power steering pump over here. With lines, of course. Alright, so let's That's the, I think that's a return hose. There's pressure hose. And then there's the new pump. So we can throw that away. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's gonna make basically the whole front engine dress look brand new. And of course, guys, I've showed you this before, but this kit is amazing. ARP bolts, basically all the hardware for the front accessory drive. That's gonna look amazing on the front of the engine. Yeah, there she is. All right, like I said, guys, everything's in there. We've got to get the trans mount on, and she's pretty well good to go. Already got the cross member in. Just got to put the trans mount on. But guys, if you haven't followed this whole series, this has been a lot of fun. You can see we've already got all the V8 fuel lines and everything on. All the suspension's new, all the brakes is new, and of course got the 8.8 with 14 gears. Got all the hangers for the V8 exhaust. Thank you. All right. New trans mount going in. Yeah, that's a little better. All right, boys, so breaking into the time lapse real quick. We got all hands on deck. Bronte's swapping the heater tube and the heater hoses. We're getting rid of that coolant crossover. Guys, if you didn't know, this coolant crossover that runs into your EGR spacer that everybody blocks off anyway, when you get them from LMR, you can get them with, where is that thing? It's around here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. When you get them from LMR, you can get it without that. So it cleans it up. You don't have to worry about coolant leaks or anything like that. So we're putting that on, or Bronte's putting that on there. I'm doing your front heater hoses now. Dover's getting the new brackets from LMR bolted up. And once I get finished with these, go ahead and put, where did I put it? The alternator bracket. Get that put on. Yeah. Dover, what do you think?
It'll look nice.
Yeah. Clean. And these are coming off. Actually, Steve's Fab Shop has a way to engrave these, so we're gonna pull these off and get the refinished ones on there and put 4 to 8 on them. And the brand new power steering pump going on. Looking good. I'm getting that other. And then Bronte's getting that last line off back there. We'll be good to go. So, all right, let's get back to it. Underneath right now, getting everything knocked out. Run this harness around, got all the grounds, and then of course all this right here. O2 harness. What else did we do down here? Oh, clutch cable is in, motor mount nuts on. I think that's all we got down here. Of course, we still got to hook the brake lines up. This one sway bar in link. And I think we can probably let it back down once we get those hooked up. Y'all ain't gonna believe under the hood. It looks like something, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a 505 speed coupe.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm telling you, it's been such a long time coming, but it's coming together for real. Yeah. Starting to look like a V8 car, isn't it?
Getting there.
All right, guys. Current situation: Dover's getting the tensioner on. Dover got the battery tray in. I got the mass air and bracket and all that. We rerouted the starter harness, which I just showed you. Got all the grounds hooked up. Man, this just looks like a V8. Notchbacks. Of course, we got all brand new hoses. And new power steering pump over here. Ready for battery. Coil is in. There's a couple of wires we got to fix on this harness. Let's see, what else? All the injector harness is on. Map sensors on. Clutch cable. Yeah, vacuum tree. It's around here somewhere. Let's see. Got the new cap and rotor on. I think that's everything. Oh, the headlight harness is all in. Ground's hooked up. LS power, huh? What he put a sticker on it?
Put an LS power sticker.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll see how this is gonna go. Yeah, boys. So progress. We're gonna keep on trucking here, but you see it, dude. This thing's like. I'm starting to get excited now.
I think we need a turbo here instead of man.
We do need a turbo there. You're all right. Something to induce some boost. No, this thing's gonna run too good, dude. This thing drive it freaking anywhere. All right, guys. So quick update again. We are rolling on just a little here, there, and everywhere. Getting air box in. Got the bracket for the dryer. Got some of the AC stuff here. I've got a growing list of parts I gotta buy. It's one of those where you think you've got everything, and just like any other build, no, you still have a lot to get. But we are getting there, and I'm gonna go home tonight and get on LMR again and order more. Dover, what do you think of the back seat delete?
The back seat delete.
Yeah, that's black anyway, and it's light.
It's very light.
When I got everything cleaned out, gave her a good vacuum, I'm gonna run some speaker wire, and we're gonna see what this looks like actually. Let's see.
I think the panels need to be pushed over a little bit.
Yeah. But they come in a little bit too.
I think we're gonna pull the seatbelt up. I'm too high. There you go. It's going in there somewhere.
Yeah.
Seatbelt out.
Yeah, which we're gonna.
Seatbelts and no rear seat delete.
Yeah, exactly. More weight out of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys,
Yeah, I think like a
getting there. I gotta get an ignition switch, and then
that drawer with all the ratchets.
gonna cut the floor out, and then we can put the shifter in it, and then put the dust boot down. Then we can get the console. But yeah, guys, it's look. Yeah, see, yeah, it's like that. So the parts bin is getting a little smaller, but the list doesn't seem to be getting smaller. It just seems to be growing as far as what's left to buy. So, whoo! All right, so fun and more fun. Just doing some wiring in here. Trying to get the stereo installed. Dover actually got the PCM in there. Make it more.
You got me had to put the whole damn car together.
Yeah, right. So yeah, I'm trying to put the new speakers in, and I'm not cutting the package tray because that's gonna look like garbage. So we're gonna flush mount them underneath so you can't see them, but that's proving to be a lot of work. But got the door speakers there. Those are gonna be easy. And then head unit will be easy. All the wiring's already there for that. So That won't be any trouble. But why is it always the little stuff that is a complete pain in the butt?
Takes 90% of the time.
Exactly. Yeah, setting the motor in, putting the trans in, that's like all the easy stuff. Then all the tedious stuff comes, and that's what kills you. But, I mean, just in a day,
It's come a long way.
it's come a long way. Long way, so definitely a team effort. Got all the AC stuff there, and like I said earlier, I'm gonna go home and spend a lot of time and a lot of money on LMR. Use code Foxcast DEC. That's actually good till the 1st. So that's my plans for tonight, guys. Also, the Ford Takeover official event t-shirt pre-order is live. It won't be much longer. And what I've kind of thought about doing is go ahead, everybody that pre-orders their shirt, I'm going to give you a sticker too. So get on the foxcast.com, pre-order your shirt, pick up at the event. I'm not shipping these shirts. You pick them up at the event. They're on the website ready to go. And yeah, lots coming, guys. We got a lot of work to do, especially this one, that one, this one. We'll say goodbye to this one too very shortly. It's gonna be crazy. So, all right, I'm blabbering. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We will be at the dyno with Lee's car very shortly. That's gonna be an interesting one. Don't miss it.